Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Civil Stuff by Wahid. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe. So today I am going to explain you regarding the estimating the quantities of cement concrete required for foundation under the steps and brick masonry required for these steps. These type of steps where you can see means in front of our doors, our main entrance doors will be, our floor level will be up some height, and to get down from that floor at least 2 to 3, minimum of 2, maximum of 3 steps will be provided depending upon the basement level. Okay, so here these are the required details. One thing we are supposed to do is to find out the cement concrete required for foundation. Now here what you are seeing is a cement concrete. This portion is called as a cement concrete bed. On that you have first step, second step, and this one is a third step. And here you can see the dimensions. 1800 mm is the width of your CC bed, and each step is having a wide of 1500 mm, 1.5 meters. Okay, and rise of each step is 200 and tread is 250. Tread is 250 mm. Okay, so first quantity is what? Cement concrete required for foundation. That is cement concrete required for foundation. Okay, so what is its length? 1 point, see, one number only, right? So I am going to write one by one. The length of the CC bed is 1.80 meters, whereas width is from here to here. How to calculate this width? Now see here. Each step tread is 250. So total from here to here is 750 mm. Okay, from here to here is 750 mm. But I want from here to here. Okay, this length I want to calculate. How to calculate? Now beside that you have a foundation, that is a basement of width 600, and under the foundation or below ground level you have a footing 600 mm, and here 450 mm basement above the ground level. This is a ground level. Now what will be this offset? You have to calculate that. How to calculate? Total width of this masonry minus 450. I will be getting 150. 600 minus 150. Half of this one, half of this one you have to divide it. So upon calculation, 600 minus 450 by 2, it is 75 mm, means 0.75, 0.075, 75 mm, right? So 0.075. Now from here to here it is offset. Projection of your CC bed is 150. So 150 plus 750 minus 0.075. Why minus? Because this projection is up to this much of offset. So width of CC bed equals to how much it is? 150 mm plus each tread 250, 250, 250. So 750 minus this offset. So 75 mm. So 900 minus 75. So it is 825 mm or 0.825 meters. So I am writing here 0.825. And what is the depth? 150 mm. 150 mm. So 0.15. Right? Upon calculation, I will be arriving a value of 0.22 3 cubic meters, right? 0.223 cubic meters. Next, brick masonry for steps. Brick masonry for steps. This is very simple. Now width is, that is length 1.50. now first brick step is this one, which will be laid of length 1.5 meters, width 0.75, and what is its depth? 200 mm, 0.20. okay, so here 1.5 0.75 into 0.2, so 0.225. similarly this is step 1. next one is step 2. Step 2. Step 2 is same, 1 by 1, length is same, width from here to here total it is 250, so 0.5 only from here to here. okay, so again depth will be same, so 1.5 into 0.5 into 0.2, it is 0.150. all are meter cube only, masonry. next one is step 3. Step 3, 1 by 1, length is same, 1.50, okay, and what is width? 0.250, and depth is 0.20. okay, so 1.5 into 0.250 into 0.20, so 0.075. altogether the total quantity of brick masonry required for these 3 steps are 0.225 plus 0.150 plus 0.075, these 3, so 0.450 cubic meters of brick masonry is required. okay, next we'll see one more problem based upon these steps. The only thing is steps difference is here the length of each step is going to vary. Here in the previous problem we have the steps length is same, first step or second step or third step, every step is of same length, but here it is varying its length. First one is 2.5 meters, okay, second 1.9, third 1.3, right? So similarly we'll do the same problem now, that is cement concrete required for foundations, okay. So here 2.5 is the step, projection is there, right? Projection will be there all round. Here it is projection. This projection what you are seeing is front side projection, and this projection what you are seeing is side projection. okay, now 1 by 1, now 2.5 plus 0.15 here plus 0.15 here means 0.3 out to add, so 2.5 plus offsets 0.15 plus 0.15, so altogether it will be 2.80. now the length is how much? 2.80. next again what is this width will be? The width calculation will be same as previous one, that is from here to here I have to calculate, means here the tread of each step is 0.3, means 0.3 means from here to here it is 0.9, but I am interested in knowing the width from here to this portion. okay, So for getting this, first you are supposed to calculate the offset. What is the offset here? 0.5 minus 0.3 by 2. So 0.1. Okay. So 0.5 minus 0.3 by 2 means every side you will be getting a offset of 0.1. Okay. So 0.1 means from here to here. So total width equals to 0.9 plus offset 0.15 minus 0.1. So how much it is? 0.9 plus 0.15 minus 0.9 plus 0.15 minus 0.1. It is 0.950 meters. So 0.95. Again depth is how much? 0.15. 0.15. Okay. So 2.8 multiplied by 0.95 multiplied by 0.15. So it is 0.399, say 4.44 meter cubes. Okay. Now next one is brick masonry. So for step 1, what is the length of step 1? 2.50. What is the width? 0.3 means 0.9. What is the depth? 0.15. Similarly, step 2, 1.9, 0. What happens here? Only 2 threads means 0.3 plus 0.3. So 0.60, depth will be same 0.1. Coming to step 3, first top step, 1 by 1, length is 1.30 and width is how much? 0.30 and depth is 0.15. Okay. So now upon calculation, 2.5 multiplied by 0.9, so 337, 1.9 into 0.6, 0.171, 1.3, 0.3, 0.058. So overall the quantity of brick masonry required for 3 steps is 0.337 plus 0.171 plus 0.058, 0.566 meter cube. So in this way you can calculate the requirement of cement bed or brick masonry for steps. Okay, so these are the 2 different types of steps. The next video will try to discuss about the double bedroom house full estimate, complete right from the earthwork excavation to painting. Up to that nearly 15 to 20 items will be there. So what are the items will be? Earthwork excavation, okay, CC bed, footings, basement, okay, and here we will be going to see the load bearing structure walls only. Okay, so brick masonry, next slab, parapet wall, plastering, whitewashing, sand filling, like that we'll be seeing the complete one, complete building estimate. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe for more videos.